Welcome to the future of cooking with ChangBERT Induction Cooktop. Built for durability, ease of use, and effortless cleaning, this cooktop is your ultimate kitchen companion. Today, we'll showcase its incredible features while preparing two mouth-watering recipes: crispy fried pork chops and silky egg drop soup. Let's get started! First, let's talk durability. The ChangBERT Induction Cooktop features shatter-resistant glass that can support up to 100 pounds. Its 18 by 10 stainless steel body ensures long-lasting performance, making it a reliable choice for years to come. Ease of use? Absolutely. The physical button works flawlessly, even with greasy hands or gloves. No more struggling with finicky touch controls. Plus, the intuitive boil and keep warm modes make cooking a breeze, even without instructions. Now, let's put the ChangBERT Cooktop to the test with our first recipe: crispy fried pork chops. Start setting up a breading station with seasoned flour, egg wash, and panko breadcrumbs. Coat each chop thoroughly for that perfect crunch. Heat your induction-compatible skillet with oil. The ChangBERT's precise temperature control ensures the oil heats up quickly and stays consistent. Fry the pork chops in batches, cooking each side for 4 to 6 minutes until golden brown. The result? Perfectly crispy, juicy pork chops every time. Pro tip: use the keep warm mode to maintain the perfect serving temperature while you finish cooking. Cleanup is a breeze with the ChangBERT Cooktop. Its shatter-resistant glass and no dead angle design mean no hidden messes. After cooking, simply wipe it clean with a cloth and you're done. Next up, silky egg drop soup. Start by bringing chicken broth to a gentle simmer on medium-high heat. The ChangBERT's fast heating gets you there in no time. Stir in a cornstarch slurry to thicken the broth. Here's where the magic happens. Gently swirl the broth and slowly pour in beaten eggs to create delicate ribbons. The precise low-heat settings ensure perfect texture every time. Finish with sesame oil, soy sauce, and a sprinkle of green onions. In just minutes, you have a comforting restaurant-quality soup. Need speed? The ChangBERT's high-power heat mode cooks faster than traditional stoves, saving you time without compromising on quality. Whether you're frying, boiling, or simmering, this cooktop delivers. Durable, easy to use, and effortless to clean. The ChangBERT Induction Cooktop is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. Ready to transform your cooking experience? Get yours today and start creating delicious meals like these.